Good morning, it is May 11th, 2017, and yesterday I got a lot done. I stayed up until 2 working on Capture. That's the Mac app for screen recording things. Yeah, I guess I'll tell you how it works in the details. So if you don't care about the technical details, see you tomorrow. So it uses the accessibility API, and that's a really interesting old thing. Basically, as a developer, you can say some things are accessible, and by default all the Apple controls are accessible. And then as someone making accessibility software, you can see all the accessible things and do stuff with them. So VoiceOver is probably the most used accessibility thing. It's by Apple. Basically, it just shows you here's all your windows and here's your buttons and your whatever. So if you have a button with an icon in it that's just record, for example, as a developer you're responsible for setting the accessibility label to say record, and then they can say record button when it reads it to you or whatever. So I'm using this API, which is really hard to use because it's a C API based on Carbon. So Carbon is what we had before Cocoa, which is iOS, OS 9, very old. So a lot of translation. So I wrote this big thing to wrap it all up, to make it a little easier to work with, which has been most of the time. Sorry, I was fidgeting. So yeah. The way it works is it finds the thing under your mouse, which could be a button or a label or whatever, and then it walks the tree until it finds a window, and then now you have a window you can do things with. So I can get the coordinates from it and convert them into real ones because it's in stupid Carbon units, and then put the window around it to show the ring, and then I can record it and use that to crop my recording and all that stuff. So it's just a ton of work to find what you're hovering over. Then the rest is just normal app stuff. So anyway, I'd like to open source my accessibility wrapper at some point. There's a couple more things I want to do before, just to make it a little nicer. But it's definitely coming along. It's been fun. Today I've been working on the design. I've spent all day in Sketch so far, which has been cool. I rarely get to work in design tools. So I have some ideas, and it's coming along. Hope to finish that up today and start implementing the design. I'm probably going to miss my deadline, which was tomorrow, but, it's alright. Anyway, short video today, but I'm going to get back to work because I'm having fun. So, talk to you later. Have a good day. What do I usually say? Have a good day. Alright.